How to get external Excel sheet in MSSS? We can have all type data in MS Excel to find the total. First, select all the number, then select auto sum. Then find the percentage. Select equal, select total divided by max total, 300 multiply 100. Then drag. Then find the result equals if bracket shuru, select percentage greater than and equal to 33, single comma in double comma pass, single comma second logic if bracket shuru percentage greater than and equal to 20, single comma in double comma compartment, single comma double comma, the false last value fills, 2 bracket, then drag. We type the all Excel data, then saving the Excel data, save as. On the desktop, type file name Praveen, Excel sheet is ready. Then open the MSACESS. Get external data Excel to find the locations. Select file, open, then OK. You can display the Excel data. Then next, to add any other column if you want. Create automatically primary key ID. Next, you can type new name of table. Finish. Save as, save import. Then you can say data sheet like MS Excel, same as Excel file. Then the format with size. Resize of column. You can see all the Excel data in MSSS to get external data in MSSS. Thanks for watching.